What if you could experience a reality that's entirely simulated? Genesis AI promises just that, a system capable of creating lifelike simulations from the world around us. From virtual environments to interactive experiences, let's dive into how Genesis AI is changing the way we see and interact with reality. Genesis AI is all about simulating the real world as accurately as possible. Unlike virtual reality, which focuses on creating immersive environments, or augmented reality, which adds digital elements to our surroundings, Genesis AI models how things truly work in real life. It doesn't just replicate appearances, it simulates how objects move, interact, and behave based on the rules of physics, biology, and even social dynamics. For example, imagine a river simulation. It's not just about showing water, but how it flows, splashes, and interacts with rocks and other obstacles, just like in the real world. By simulating not only how things work, but also how they behave, Genesis AI opens up new possibilities in areas like gaming, education, and problem solving. It's a powerful tool that can recreate the complexity of the world around us in a way that feels real and interactive. What makes Genesis AI so groundbreaking is its ability to integrate multiple disciplines into one system. It uses physics to simulate movement and forces, biology to model living systems, and sociology to predict human nature. By combining these fields, Genesis AI creates dynamic simulations that behave like the real world. For example, imagine simulating a crowded city street, the cars moving according to traffic laws, people navigating sidewalks based on their own priorities, and weather conditions change how everyone behaves. These simulations aren't static, they evolve and adapt, making them incredibly realistic and useful. One of the most exciting aspects of Genesis AI is how quickly it works. In the past, creating detailed simulations required expensive computers and weeks or months of processing time. Genesis AI, however, uses advanced computing techniques to complete these tasks in seconds. For instance, training a robot to walk in a virtual environment, a task that used to take weeks, can now be done in less than a minute. This speed isn't just about saving time, it also makes high-quality simulations accessible to smaller teams and organizations that don't necessarily have massive budgets. Genesis AI works through a combination of advanced algorithms and physics engines. These engines replicate real-world rules, like how gravity affects objects, how materials react under pressure, and how things collide. But it doesn't stop there. Genesis AI also uses artificial intelligence to learn from these simulations. Over time, it gets smarter and more accurate, improving with each scenario. This mix of physics and AI enables Genesis AI to handle complex situations, like simulating the spread of disease or the behavior of entire ecosystems, whether it's understanding how a tree grows or predicting how a virus moves through a population. Genesis AI makes it possible to model these systems in a way that feels real. With these kinds of simulations, healthcare professionals can better prepare for various scenarios and improve patient outcomes. The potential for Genesis AI to revolutionize the healthcare industry is huge, making medical research and procedures more efficient and effective. It's an exciting glimpse into how this technology could change the way we approach healthcare in the future. In urban planning, Genesis AI offers a powerful tool for testing ideas without making changes in the real world. City planners can create digital twins of neighborhoods to simulate things like traffic patterns, energy usage, and even how people behave. They could see what would happen if a bus route were added, or how it might impact traffic flow, or how a new park could affect the well-being of a community. These simulations help planners make better decisions, as they can test different options before actually implementing them. By using Genesis AI, cities can become more efficient, sustainable, and livable. This tech allows urban planners to explore solutions that make cities work better for everyone, all while minimizing disruptions and risks. It's a game changer for designing smarter cities. Another area where Genesis AI really shines is in disaster management. Imagine being able to simulate a hurricane hitting a coastal town. Emergency planners could test different response strategies, figuring out the best way to evacuate people or allocate resources. Entertainment is another field where Genesis AI could make waves. Think about video games or movies where the worlds feel alive, where every character and environment reacts dynamically to the player's actions. With Genesis AI, game developers could create immersive experiences that are different every time you play. Imagine a game where the weather changes unpredictably or characters learn from their interactions with you. These kinds of innovations could redefine how we experience storytelling and entertainment. Of course, as powerful as Genesis AI is, it's not without challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is the sheer amount of data it requires. For simulations to be accurate, Genesis AI needs detailed, high-quality data about everything, from weather patterns to human behavior. If the data is incomplete or biased, the simulation's results could be misleading. This means that ensuring the accuracy and fairness of the input data is a critical part of using Genesis AI effectively. One of the biggest challenges with Genesis AI is the ethical concerns surrounding its power. Since it can simulate human behavior and societal systems, there's a risk it could be used for harmful purposes. For instance, someone might use it to create strategies for spreading misinformation or influencing public opinion in negative ways. This potential for misuse highlights the importance of having strong ethical guidelines. Proper regulation and ethical standards will help guide its use and keep it focused on positive impacts for society. Despite its challenges, the future of Genesis AI is bright. While it's still a new technology, its potentials are already clear. Researchers are working hard to improve its capabilities, and as it advances, we'll likely see even more exciting applications. In the near future, Genesis AI could be used to create digital twins of entire countries, helping governments test large-scale policies and strategies before implementing them. It could also play a huge role in space exploration, simulating alien environments to prepare astronauts for missions to other planets. So, why does Genesis AI matter? At its heart, it's about giving us the tools to understand and shape the world in ways we've never been able to do before. Whether it's helping scientists study diseases, enabling cities to become more sustainable, or giving us new ways to experience entertainment, Genesis AI has the potential to transform every aspect of our lives. It's a reminder of how technology can be a force for good, helping us look to the future, helping us tackle challenges and explore possibilities we once thought were out of reach. As we look to the future, Genesis AI invites us to imagine what's possible when we combine human creativity with the power of simulation. What kind of worlds will we build? What problems will we solve? The answers are up to us, and with Genesis AI, the possibilities are endless. Genesis AI is unlocking a whole new era of virtual experiences, blurring the lines between real and simulated worlds. The future of reality is just beginning. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Do let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time.